medyo hardcore yan ah.
Mm.
That's why medyo parang nare-release mo rin naman lahat ng
Stress.
kinain mo.
Actually, stress.
Oh yeah, this is a good stress reliever.
Yes.
Yeah, especially eating.
Eating,
After.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you for being real.
Mhm.
And syempre hindi mo madali lahat ng mga pinaggagawa mo, no, 'di ba? But you can handle it and I'm really surprised. You are really an inspiration to everyone. So, as a model, you influence so many people. Of course, we know that, 'di ba? As we models, because everyone sees us on stage, sa TV, yun nga, 'di ba? And of course, every day we meet a lot of people. So, we are a great influencer as well. So, what message do you want to share sa mga young girls who are wanting to enter modeling as maybe a career
Mhm.
or as a hobby?
My younger cousins are I could say they're my biggest fan. Whenever I go off the stage for runway, they would always be proud of me, telling me, Ate VJ, you're so good, kito ganyan. And then I think na when I heard that question, the one thing I had in mind is don't be scared trying to be a model. Kasi being a model is fun, even though it's difficult, it's hard, there's a lot of things that you would encounter along your journey as a model. Don't be scared, take the risk, be courageous, and when you look back sa time na nag-start ka as a model, you would be proud of yourself because it gives you so much confidence, not only as a woman but as a person, because you would know na, oh, I can do a lot more than what I had done before. So that's my message for the younger people who aspire to be a model, because that's been my mantra every day, every time, and ever since I started as a model. Right now, I'm proud from the way I started as a model, kasi when I started as a model, sobrang mahiyain ko.
Oh, really?
Yes. Super
Okay.
mahiyain ko. Yung confidence ko, wala talaga, as in, na nahihiya ako palagi. Ayokong mag two-piece, ayokong laging labas yung katawan ko. So, ever since I started as a model, it gives me so much confidence kasi, bakit ako matatakot when I can just go on the stage, pose, project, be a model the way I am, be my own self. Kaya, my message to the younger people who aspires to be a model, don't be scared, take the risk, and I am telling you, you'll be proud of yourself one day.
Wow, that is so powerful. Parang nasa beauty contest tayo. Oh well, so what is true beauty for you?
True beauty. I think
Oh yeah, nasa beauty na tayo. Parang pageant question
hindi ko
na.
naisip yun.
Kasi yun ang susunod eh. Every time, di ba? So, ako din nag-start as model and then after that, nag-pageant na ako. So, maybe you will be in the pageant world na after.
I hope so.
Oh wow, gusto niya rin. Good luck to your dream. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Anyway, so let's hear what you say about what true beauty is.
I haven't thought of that much yet, but for me, true beauty, I think it's within you. Kasi you won't be considered beautiful. Yeah, let's say you're pretty outside, pero yung personality mo is not that pretty. I wouldn't say you're pretty. You're beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Everyone agrees. Being beautiful or having a true beauty it starts within yourself. You have to improve. You have to work on yourself more. Not just working out, making yourself sexy, making yourself confident, but working on improving yourself, your growth, your career, everything about you. It starts within you first.
Wow, very nice to hear. It's so inspiring. Napakagaling ng ating guest for tonight. Really, she's so beautiful inside and out. And that's what true beauty is, of course. Diba? Okay, so much more for the beauty and pageantry question. Let's have some fun. Okay? So, game ka ba?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So, hinga lang tayo ng konti. So, eto yun eh. This is very familiar with everyone. Okay.
After. Cut.
Mag-outro pa na naman.
Ano mag-outro?
Upcoming na
Bago niya sagutin, cut ulit tayo.
Oo, cut muna tayo. Ito na, yung fun round na tayo. So,
Dito pa yung main.
Ito po yung main. Diyan magsasalita ka sa kanya, pero yung sagot niya, mamaya mo na. So, break muna tayo.
break muna.
Tapos, sa kanya sagutin niya.
Ano sasabihin ko ngayon? Station ID muna tayo.
Before mo sagutin niya, yan yung
Yung sabi ko kanina,
before mo
oo.
sagutin niya,
Okay.
commercial muna tayo.
Okay. Bago tayo mag-segment ng fun round, mag-break muna tayo. Okay.
Then, play yung,
Music ng trending talks.
pasok yan, welcome. Palibag.
Okay, we're back again.
Our discussions,
Welcome back.
topics,
Welcome back. Harap na ako sa kanya.
Then, pagkatapos po niya,
across the various platforms,
yung
such as
nakakasya siya,
social
makakasya
media,
siya.
news outlets, or community forums.
Oo, yung kakanta na siya.
And span diverse areas,
Pag-perform
Magkakat tayo ulit.
siya, nagkakanta tayo. Please watch
global activities.
Okay.
Thank you for being part of our journey together. We are Trending Talks.
Okay, bago tayo. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're back. Okay, so let's have our quick style round. Ready ka na ba, Miss VJ?
Yes, super ready.
Okay. Heels or sneakers?
Heels,
Runway or photo shoot?
runway,
Glam or natural?
glam.
Who's your favorite designer?
yeah.
Of course, si Madame L'Oreal in the Philippines. And then, the fashion trend you love.
I love Y2K outfits.
Oh, Y2K, like
Yes.
yung mga K-pop ba yan? Or,
It's more like a 2000 trends na nauso again last
Retro.
year. Yeah, like that. Retro.
okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss VJ, for being sports and really wonderful guest for tonight. So, let's see the model moment. She will be singing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's hear from Miss VJ Gavieres.
Tapos, pagkatapos niya, babalik mo siya. Yun, ang galing mo naman yun, papag-usapan niya
Oo,
yung
okay.
perform niya.
Can I
Okay,
upo
okay.
po ako?
Oo, nakaupo ka na.
Baka ulit dito.
Sana siya. Dito
Dito na
na.
siya ulit.
Okay.
Kasi
So, parang
nagpe-perform na
after.
siya eh.
Mamaya na natin isushoot.
Mamaya na natin isushoot yun. Para dire-diretso, para sila sabay-sabay na sila
Alright.
Re-record na lang din natin yun. Insert
Yung intro niya lang.
intro. Yung intro niya, galing siya ng perform. So yan, ma'am, pasok ulit yung...
Ano, pwede tatayo ako to welcome her back. Okay.
Pero, teka lang, yung camera na.
Ay, bababa ng konti.
Parang yan nyo lang siya. Congratulate nyo lang sa
Oo.
performance. To compliment.
Mamaya nakakanta.
Alright.
Kumbaga nakakanta na siya.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait
Ready?
lang. Commercial muna tayo.
Kunyari nakakanta ka na.
Huwag ka na mag-commercial. Kasi papasok ko siya.
Trending Talks.
Parang mag-music lang tayo ng konti.
Okay na. So, dito tayo ready.
Sige, pasok.
2, 1, go.
Welcome back! Wow! Ang galing mo palang kumanta! So wonderful! So nice! Sit down again. Of course. Wow, saan mo natutunan yung pagkanta ng ganyan, Miss VJ? I didn't know you're a very good singer.
Talaga ba?
Oo, wow!
Sa family kasi namin mahilig kumanta. Starting from my grandmother, She's been part of the choir member before sa church.
Oh,
And
okay.
then naging choir member din ako before when I was younger.
Nagulat ako dun eh. Na kumakanta pala siya. No? I never heard her sing. For the first time, I've heard her sing and it's so amazing. Dapat sa susunod, ikaw na yung kumakanta sa music video, di ba?
Wag
Hindi
naman.
lang model. Isn't that nice, di ba?
I
Don't you
think
dream
so.
of that? Oh, wow. Anyways, so for my last question for you tonight, what would you want people to remember you? You know, about you. What would you like the people?
To remember about.
Yeah, to remember about you.
I think I want people to remember me as a brave woman. Because, I've been alone and independent since I was like 15 years old. And I've always wanted people to see me as a brave person and a very confident one. That's how I want people to see me.
Wow. Thank you very much for being our guest for tonight. And we learned so much from you. And you're a true inspiration for every model and the young generations to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I
Hope
had
to see
so
you
much
again.
fun.
Really. Okay. Thank you for the truth, the
Thank
strength, and of course, the inspiration you gave us tonight.
Mhm.
And to everyone watching, you don't need a runway to shine. Your story is already enough. This is Lorelai Mandela for Trending Talks, and want to say good night to everyone. Thank you. Ang galing mo ah, ang galing. Oh, magkakanta ka naman. Teka muna, hindi ko pa na-interview na ano to, hindi ko pa alam yung meron man sila. Oh,
Sir,
sige.
wait lang. Yung bata mo na kasi Alice.
Oo, sige. Oo. Yung ay, oh. Kaso na? Wala yata. Saan na ba? Napunta sa loob. Okay lang ba yun? Narinig kaya yun?
Ako, ilinig po naman
Sino
ako.
mag-interview sa bata?
Si Zen.
Zen, ikaw naman ang mag-interview dito. Ay, hindi na kasi kakanta.
Episode ano yan ha? Episode 5, 6 na. Episode 6. Episode 6 na.
Pwede daw ba sabay sila?
Sino?
Ito dalawa.
Pwede naman. Pwede. Pwede sila. Pwede sila.
Sabay ang video.
Pero yung tanong nila, mag-a-adlib ka rin kasi hindi pwede pareho ng tanong. Pwede pareho, pwede, may tanong ka dito, may tanong ka rin dyan. About self niya, about sa kanya naman. Pero dapat, same question, pero meron kang magkaiba na answer. Then, meron ka rin tanong sa kanya na magkaiba silang tanong. Kasi pagka magpareho ng tanong, dire-diretso lang. Oo, tapos mag-iibang tanong ka rin sa kanya. Kasi dito na tayo.
Kasi kakanta pa siya. Last na to kasi Alice daw to eh.
Sino mag-interview sa kanya?
Siya na narinig. Kahit mga apat lang na questions sa akin. Then tapos kakanta. Where's your mom?
Hindi, ano tatanong sa kanya? Yung sa atin lang.
Oo, sa ano? Ano na lang? Modeling niya.
Tulad ka. Mas lalo na. Ulit na ako, 4 nga ako na ano eh. Kasi edit ko. Bre, palitan mo ng ano, bre.
Sa mama niya, tawag mo.
Blue mo siya.
Ano yung mic? Di ba na-dead?
Oo.
Ay, di mama niya.
Oh, change outfit.
Ang kakantayin niya.
Ma'am,
nasa
kabit mo.
Pero yung outfit mo maya, yan pa rin yung outfit mo mamaya. Okay lang, kasi okay lang yun.
Kasi yun ang may nakatabi siya sa way. Ano kakantayin niya? Ang blood jacket.
Ako naman.
Jagger daw. Yun yung kakantayin niya.
Pero meron po kayong kopya.
What's your name again?
Sa cellphone. Pahanap mo. Kasi wala kami signal, hindi kami makakuha ng
Wala kang ano.
Yung may, ayan, ano yung brand?
Hit mo na.
Nagmamodel ba na mother? Nagmamodel din siya.
Model, singer, drama.
Teka lang, pahingahin niyo ako, sir. English to eh. Oo, hindi siya nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. Hindi nga lang ako kaya. Ikaw na kaya. Palit tayo.
Inasin mo na lahat ng tanong dun sa kanila.
English daw.
Kaya nga, ba't ba hinihila-hila ako agad?
Apat lang, kahit apat kasi
Apat lang.
May lakad kasi yan eh.
Sige,
Yung
taga lang.
tanong mo lang sa kanya kung ano yung ano niya.
Pambata lang.
Favorite songer. How to...
Who's your favorite?
Favorite singer. Then perform. Then,
Again, what's your name?
Johnson.
Johnson?
Jen.
Jenson. May lahi ba tong foreigner, ma'am? Purong Pilipino. Purong Pilipino. You can speak Tagalog. Anything Tagalog. You want me to teach you Tagalog? Are you going to sing with us? Who's your favorite singer? Bon Jovi. Are you gonna sing and dance with us?
Dance, drums.
Okay. Do you have a lot of talent pala, no?
Multitasking.
Oo, multi-talented.
kasi si Madam, lagi na ko ba? Dapat
Ay, hindi. Dapat karaoke.
Then, mali kasi yung position ng camera kasi dapat dito sa gitna yan.
Hindi na lang, meron camera dun eh.
Yan, dapat yan yung tone. Oh, yan. Ba't nandun yan? Hindi kasi meron ka dito eh. Meron ka-happing kayo dito.
Pero may nari naman.
Anong sports niya?
Sports niya. What is your favorite sport? Ay, can you please describe yourself? Can you answer that question for me?
Oh, yan.